10 VS Code extensions for web developers to boost their productivity. These extensions can make your development process easier and more efficient. To install this extension, click on the extension icon of your VS Code, search for the extension and press install. So without further ado, let's get started. ES6 code snippets. This is a great time saver for any JavaScript developer. You can get all of the code you need in one place without having to type it out again and again. This also includes TypeScript, TS-link, check codes as well, so your project stays up to date with the latest technology.
Number 2, CSS Peek. Pick CSS ID and class from the HTML file and goes to the respective CSS definition.
Number 3, auto close. After opening a tag in HTML and XML, it's an ethic job to close it. So here is the best solution for you. Close the HTML and XML tag automatically. So this extension helps you to close the tag automatically. So if you're opening it, it's closing it for you.
Number 4, Prettier code formatter. This extension will help you to format the JavaScript, HTML, CSS code. You can configure it as you need.
Number 5, auto rename tag. This rename tags automatically so that your code remains consistent and easy to maintain, even when working on a big project with lots of elements deep in the HTML structure. It works seamlessly without any need for manual updates or anything like that. So this automatically updates your tag. So imagine if you need to change a div to a section. Once you start changing the first tag, automatically the second tag is being changed. Number 6, Path IntelliSense. Path IntelliSense is a great tool that makes it easy for files path. With autocomplete, you won't have to type out all of your files' name or search through folders looking at which one are named correctly. It automatically adds the file name. Number 7, better comment. Commenting is a big part of programming, and without it, you will never be able to understand your own code or other people's code. This extension lets you organize comments by categorizing them into highlighting, text, questions, to do, errors, /warning, and strike through, so that they are easy for reading when looking through the project later on. Number 8, MarkDown all-in-one. Whether you like it or not, writing documentation is part of your job, one that many people find themselves doing often but not necessarily enjoying as much because there are so many other aspects involved in development, software such as coding, testing, etc. The most commonly used markup for documents nowadays seems to be MarkDown, which provides useful shortcuts when writing down content, especially since live preview feature can help save time by checking how your post will look before publishing. It really speeds up documentation. Number 9, Gitlens. With extension, you can see who changed what line of code in your web app with a single click. This one way that it makes browsing through history easy, because now there's no need going back and forth between page or screen when looking for certain changes. Just view them all at once with this amazing tool.
Number 10, Live Server. I just wanted to have this extension when I started web development. It spins up a light Node.js server and serves your HTML file with all assets from the given directory. On top of that, any save change you make will also be reflected immediately in your browser, which gives a really fast experience as if it is redevelopment mode. You can find this tool under the modern category. So launch your local server with live reload feature for static and dynamic pages.